Hey, I'm Erik. I live in Hamilton and I've got Orella here installing a dishwasher for me in my new place. I've been using Orella for about 5 years now. They've been there on a couple of my projects every step of the way and they've been great to deal with. They're great, they step up to the plate, they really show you every step of what they're gonna do and what they're gonna exclude and what you're gonna come into, what you're gonna be looking at for the entire cost of your project and everything. They're really good at that. You always have access to the owner and the guys that are really running the show, and on site you always have answers with the guys that are actually performing the work. They don't come here unknowingly, and they really understand their scope of work and finish it up. I think selecting a contractor is a very personal thing, as you have certain people in your home for days or weeks at a time, and going with Orella was a pretty easy decision when you look at the people that they hire and they employ and how they conduct themselves in your home, outside of their home, and as a whole in our community, and I think Orella was definitely the right choice for us. So working with Orella compared to other typical contractors where you're just hiring them for one single scope of work, and working with Orella on the other side is it's a different experience, because when you're working with them as a family. You're all very close. They're coming in and out of your house. They're all very friendly. It's almost just like having your best friends with tool bags. If you're looking for a contractor for your next project, I highly recommend Orella.